Ever had your supplement account frozen for a compliance issue even when everything seemed fine? It usually happens because the processor does not actually understand nutraceutical rules. Here is a quick manual check. Look through the top results for mentions of labeling, product claims, disclaimers, or refund policies. These are common areas where supplement businesses get flogged. Many payment processors don't specialize in supplements, so even small things like a missing disclaimer or refund link can trigger reviews or holds. That's why working with a processor that understands nutraceutical compliance makes all the difference. EasyPay Direct's underwriting team specializes in supplement and health product businesses. They know the specific rules processors look for, helping you stay compliant and avoid unnecessary account interruptions. And here is a quick FAQ takeaway. Nutraceutical merchant accounts are designed for supplement sellers who need secure, compliant payment processing. Working with an experienced provider helps prevent compliance-related freezes before they start. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can connect with the team that actually understands supplement compliance. Don't let minor compliance issues put your revenue at risk. With EasyPay Direct's specialized support, you can process payments confidently and focus on growing your supplement brand. Check the link in the description to get started today.